All right, we got 3 cruise news stories for you today. I got a Carnival Cruise Line story, an MSC Cruise Line story, and a Princess Cruise Line story. And for once, they're not about COVID. Get into all of them right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we'll start with Carnival Cruise Lines, and Carnival has announced some additional itinerary changes. It's going to affect 6 of their cruise ships, departing from 5 different home ports. Now, anybody that is booked on one of these sailings will be receiving notification directly from Carnival Cruise Lines, letting you know of these itinerary changes. Now, most of these seem to be related to scheduling, port availability, and port requirements. And of course, there are still some ports, an example like Grand Caymans, that are not yet open. So we are still seeing a few itinerary changes out there. The ships that are affected are going to be the Carnival Vista sailing out of Galveston, the Carnival Glory sailing out of New Orleans, the Carnival Sunrise and the Carnival Liberty sailing out of Miami, the Carnival Pride sailing out of Tampa, and the Carnival Sunshine sailing out of Charleston, South Carolina. As I said, most of these itinerary changes are for January, but there are a few that extend further into 2022 and even the beginning of 2023. So like I said, if you are booked on any of those ships here for the next upcoming month, particularly here in January, take a look at your email and see if these itinerary changes possibly will affect your cruise. Now, MSC Cruise Lines, well, they are extending their Cruise with Confidence program now through the summer of 2022. And this program, it's designed to give cruisers a peace of mind when they book cruising through MSC Cruise Lines. Gives you a little flexibility in cancellations, options such as canceling 48 hours prior to a cruise, up to 21 days before a cruise if you book a fly-in cruise package, allows you to move to a different cruise, things like that, just to give you more confidence in booking with MSC, particularly with all of the things that are going on here in the world. And it also does help with COVID-19 insurance, should you test positive prior to getting on the cruise ship or while you are on the cruise ship. So if you are a fan of MSC Cruises, a little concerned over booking with them, hey, then definitely go over to their website, take a look at their Cruise with Confidence program. That may sway you one way or the other to go ahead and book your cruise with them, knowing that at least you have some options and some possibilities if something should happen to you. And finally, the very last Royal Class cruise ship being built by Princess Cruise Lines, the Discovery Princess, well, she has officially completed her sea trials over in Italy. So now she is going to go back to dock. They're going to finish her up and get her prepared for her debut here in the spring of 2022. So we have another new cruise ship fixing to come out, particularly if you are a fan of Princess Cruise Line's Royal Class ships. Now, I will say, even we already have a cruise booked on the Discovery Princess. Granted, it's not until May of 2023 when she's going to be sailing to Alaska, but we are already booked on it and really looking forward to checking out Princess Cruise Line's last Royal Class ship. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, smash that like button for us. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.